Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find all the shared videos inside the Discord app on your PC with the new update. If you've ever scrolled endlessly through chats trying to find that one video someone shared, this method will save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with your account and ready to go. Once the app is open, head over to the specific chat or server channel where you believe the video was shared. This can be a direct message with a friend or a group channel. Now take a look at the top right of the page. You'll notice the search bar, which is one of the most powerful tools inside Discord. Click into that bar, and here's the key part. Type in the command has video exactly like that. What this does is tell Discord to filter the conversation and display only the messages that contain videos. As soon as you hit enter, you'll see the entire chat filtered to show only video files that were uploaded or shared within that channel. This makes it incredibly easy to browse through and find the specific video you're looking for without wasting time scrolling through text messages, links, or images. From here, you can click on any of the videos to watch them directly. You can also save the video, download it, or simply keep it in mind for quick access later. This simple search filter is especially handy if you're in large servers where media tends to get buried quickly under new messages. And that's all there is to it. By using the search bar with the has:video command, you can instantly filter and view all shared videos in any chat or channel across Discord. It's a quick trick, but once you get used to it, you'll find yourself using it all the time. If this guide helped you, give it a try right now on your own chats and see how much easier it makes finding videos on Discord.